Ferraci here with his race team for the Warhorse Ducati team, also watching race number 6 line up. It's been a long time since we had the factory guys here. $250,000 pro purse. This is the largest pro purse in the history of motorcycle racing in the United States of America. This is the most money that's ever been up for grabs. $250,000. And these guys are going to be sending it. That much I can promise you. Got some of the best riders in the world here today. Team Suzuki. What's happening, guys? Good luck, man. Clutching that Ducati sounds awesome. 749R. We got the Eraldo over here. What's happening? Luck, man. Up, we'll get the start. Catch them coming down the line here. Good luck, guys. One chance at glory. Yeah, they're off. They come lining up for the start. Lined up. Start here. Race has been red flagged. Ambulance just went out on the track. I'm not sure what happened, but somebody's down. Somebody went down in turn 1 and slid quite a ways. Hopefully they're okay. Here goes the ambulance with somebody in it.